Welcome to our 4-H kitchen. My name is Claire Harrington, a member of the Louisiana State Food and Fitness Board, and today I will be showing you how to measure dry and wet ingredients. Our ingredients are brown sugar, flour, baking soda, coconut oil, and milk, and I will be showing you the proper tools and methods to measure these ingredients. Before we begin, I've washed my hands, pulled back my hair, and removed all jewelry so that I can remain food safe. So I'm going to measure out 1/3 cup of flour, using our spoon to spoon the flour into our dry measuring cup. And to make sure that you have the correct amount of flour, we're going to level off the flour with the flat edge of our knife. So next, I'm going to measure out 1/4 cup of brown sugar. In order to have the right amount of brown sugar, you have to pack your sugar into your measuring cup. You'll know your brown sugar is packed when it falls right out like this. Next, we're going to measure out 1 tablespoon of baking soda. You're going to spoon your baking soda into your measuring spoon. And make sure to level it off with the flat edge of your knife. So next, we're going to measure out 1 cup of milk. For liquid ingredients, you're going to want to use your liquid measuring cup. And you want to make sure that you get eye level to make sure that you have enough milk. I'm going to be measuring 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For ingredients that you normally measure in small amounts, you can use a measuring spoon. And it's also important to not measure your ingredients over the bowl that you're going to put them in. So next, we're going to be measuring out coconut oil using the liquid displacement method. So for this method, you need 1 cup of water, your coconut oil, and 2 spoons. Using small chunks of coconut oil, you're going to put your coconut oil in your water until it reaches 1.5 cups. Now that it reads 1.5 cups, you're going to go ahead and you're going to place your coconut oil into your bowl. This method also leads for easier cleanup and more accurate measurement. Thanks for joining me in our kitchen today, and I hope you enjoyed all these measuring tips and tricks. And remember, 4-H Kitchens rule.